Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off keyboard sound on your iPhone running iOS 18.1. So if you want to turn off the click noise on your keyboard when you're typing, then let me show you how to do this. So first you want to go ahead and open up settings. Next, you want to scroll down until you see sound and haptics. Now from here, you want to scroll down until you see keyboard feedback. Go ahead and tap on this. And now, as you can see, to turn on sound for your keyboard, go ahead and toggle the switch to the right hand side, and that will turn on the keyboard sounds on your iPhone running iOS 18.1. So there you go guys, that is how to turn on the keyboard clicks on your iPhone running iOS 18.1. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.